Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs with rice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, about 1 cup of cooked rice, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Having your rice already cooked and slightly cooled will make this process much smoother and quicker. This simple dish is perfect for a quick meal any time of day. Now let's get cooking. Whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are light and fluffy. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is warm, pour in your whisked eggs. Gently push and fold the eggs with a spatula, cooking them until they are just set and still slightly moist, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the scrambled eggs from the pan and set them aside. With your eggs ready, it's time to combine everything. Add your 1 cup of cooked rice to the same pan, breaking up any large clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat, ensuring it's thoroughly heated through. Then, return your perfectly scrambled eggs to the pan. Gently fold the eggs and rice together, mixing them until they are evenly distributed throughout the dish. Your delicious scrambled eggs with rice are now ready to enjoy. Serve this comforting dish immediately while it's warm. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions or a dash of soy sauce. If you like, a few drops of sesame oil can add a wonderful aromatic flavor. This simple, satisfying meal is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner, offering a quick and easy option.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.